Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the camshaft install. I've gotten a couple comments on this. I know it's been a while, but it's hard to accommodate for all the schedules. Primarily going to be attacking the timing and just getting the cam cover off, which now we have the right tool instead of trying to finagle it, because if we didn't have this, we'd have to take the lower timing cover off, which we do not want to do. There's dog hair. So we're hopping back right into it from where we left off last week. Didn't we already take, this is just like loosely on here, is it not? And then we're doing what now?
We're going to make sure we're still at top dead center. And then we're going to take those two middle T30s out.
Just the middles?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's a broad area. Looks good to me. They're lined up there.
Okay.
She didn't budge. Oh, there we go. Be a lot easier from what we were trying to accomplish. Can I just hand thread it, or do I have to?
You can hand thread it. I would like gently once it's
like
I probably give it like an eighth of a turn once it's tight.
Alright, then I'm just
Add to it.
I did the thing.
You did the thing.
Yeah.
So do you remember last time when we were pushing on we were pushing on the guide with a extension to try and depress it up here?
Yeah.
Pushing down.
Depressing it,
And then
I was
you were
doing
underneath doing the
with
thing with the pick. Yeah. To move that locking tab back. So it's gonna be the same thing now, except this time you're gonna have leverage.
1 hour later.
Literally.
Gauge, right? You push down a little bit and
Yeah, push down.
Not bad. Thank you.
Felt the same amount. Anything better inch or third of an inch. Anything more than
Wait, this is the moment.
Okay, like this, because you're gonna bend it down.
Okay, so lift the chain,
Yeah.
bend down, and then just
Yeah.
swoop in.
So then just hold right there.
Okay.
That. And then as close as I could get it. Just like that. And then that's gonna tell us, as he's
Where the
looking at
tooth
it,
is?
to right. And then so here, let go.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Ah!
Pulls around the front and the back. Yeah.
Okay.
Juicer.
I have a question. So, you don't need to remove the intake to get... My tech had the intake off when he did my cam cover seal.
Why?
I don't know. He had it off. Because I remember we looked at the valves, he's like, well, they're your valves, and I thought it was just part of the procedure. And they were pretty clean.
Yeah, so like,
Show me the way.
you take that off.
Where's my...
Whack.
Alright.
And then just like take like a little bit out there because we don't want it bleeding out into the cam caps.
Okay. Looks like Whoville. Oh, no. Not the Valley of the Cam. We want some Welch's Grape Jelly. Are you gonna approve, or is there still too much clusterfuck going on?
No, I think you're kosher. I think you're good. It's time for the scary part. She's like flinching every time I say kosher now.
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna roll, tuck, come back, drop.
Tuck initially.
Yep.
Drop of that mountain front.
Yep, there you go. Just like that. Beautiful. Then drop it like it's hot. Not literally, but there you go. Yeah. Yep, and then just let it rest. Cool.
Why is it so loose? Is it supposed to be loose?
Because Matt is releasing the tension for you.
Okay.
So that we have inside.
Yeah, the green shit. I'm gonna make a maybe outro because I have no idea. Yeah. Alright, so I have a place to be today and I have to leave, so we're not gonna finish today's project, so this is the end of episode 2. Here's the meme of the week. I'm sorry, this is such a long process, but I promise you it's going to end soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the stuff with the things and stuff. Bye.